Hey guys, welcome to 10-Minute English with May. And today we are going to talk about two more types of pronouns, which are reflexive and intensive pronouns. So before this class, we have already addressed several types of pronouns. Remember, there are 8 types of pronouns in total. So we've taken a look at our personal pronouns and the different cases of these personal pronouns, like subjective case, objective case, possessive case. We've also talked about interrogative pronoun and demonstrative pronouns, and also our relative pronouns, and briefly introduced what we're going to cover later on, which is our adjective clause. All right, so let's get started. If you take a look here, reflexive pronouns and intensive pronouns look identical, right? Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, plural, themselves. Sorry, I think there is a typo here. So instead of ourselves twice and yourselves. So remember, you can be referring to one single person or a group of people. So yourself, yourselves. All right. And let's take a look at the difference. What is a reflexive pronoun? It is a pronoun used when the subject and the object of a sentence are the same. So, for example, she cut herself on the broken window pane. So you can see she is the one doing the action because she's the subject, right? And who is the person being cut? That would be herself, right? Another example would be she envisioned herself to be the president of her company. So the word envision meaning she sees, right? Kind of like daydreaming. That is her goal, her ambition. She is doing the imagining, the envisioning, right? And who is being envisioned in this case? That would be herself, right? And that is the object. Pardon me, I should write verb, object. All right. And what about intensive pronouns? So for intensive pronoun, the main function is to add emphasis to the subject or antecedent of the sentence. So in this case, you can see I ordered that software package for myself. Emphasis for the antecedent or the subject, which is for I, right? But if you see here, I is the subject, the verb would be ordered. And what's the object? It's not myself, it's actually the package. So you see the difference between reflexive and intensive, all right? In case of intensive pronouns, the myself, yourself, himself, herself, these are not the object, all right? And the second example, did you yourself complete the assignment? Or you can rephrase that, right? Did you complete the assignment by yourself? So again, let's find our subject, verb, object. Subject is you. Verb would be did complete. So remember, this is a question. So your helping verb comes before, right? And your main verb comes after did complete. And what's the object? What is the thing that is being completed? It's actually the assignment, not yourself, right? So we oftentimes put these two pronouns together for emphasis. I myself am an English teacher. You yourself, he himself, she herself, it itself, and so on and so forth. And it is crucial that you remember that no punctuation, right? No punctuation should be used between the two pronouns when you are trying to emphasize Okay, definitely no commas. And that is the difference between reflexive, right? So if you have trouble memorizing the difference between the two, think about the word reflect, right? So when the action you do is being reflected upon yourself, right? Reflexive pronoun. And intensive is for emphasis, and it is often used with another pronoun in front of it, like I, you, he, she, it, we, they. All right. And that's it for the 2 types of pronouns. I will see you next time. Bye bye.